Right now, we are joined by Marian Cabanillas, the CEO of United Healthcare Community Plan, as well as Sarah Mangrum, the Director of Resident Services for New Hope Housing. They're here to tell us about something special going on between the two organizations. So, Marian, we'll start with you first. Can you tell us about United Healthcare's partnership with Sesame Street and the importance of comfy, cozy spaces?
Absolutely. Thank you so much. So yes, the United Healthcare has partnered with Sesame Street now for over 10 years on a variety of initiatives that really improve the well-being of young children, families, and communities, and especially those that are most vulnerable. And we do this with them by building a strong foundation of lifelong healthy habits. And so this is a really exciting opportunity for us. It's a new initiative called the New Comfy Cozy Spaces. And they provide families and caregivers with resources that help kids to build resilience and help them feel safe, feel seen, and also feel hopeful. The spaces are essential to really supporting families and caregivers, as well as providing children a safe space to process big feelings, but also to have fun.
I love the sound of that. It sounds amazing. So, Sarah, can you tell us about the grand opening and how these spaces will help the families of New Hope Housing?
Of course. Thank you so much. We had the grand opening and the ribbon cutting for the Comfy Cozy Space at New Hope Housing just last week, and it went off beautifully. We had families, kids, grandparents, and even some folks from the neighborhood come and get their first peek at our Comfy Cozy Space. We had Elmo come visit us, and the children just loved seeing Elmo and getting hugs and starting to read the books that United Healthcare and Sesame Street provide to our community. You know, at its basis, New Hope Housing's mission is to provide affordable, life-stabilizing housing with supportive services. And we can't do that without these wonderful spaces that allow a family who has lived in low-income communities, who might have experienced homelessness, the space to just come together and be a family for the first time, perhaps forever.
It sounds absolutely amazing what y'all are doing. So, Sarah, why is this partnership so important for New Hope Housing, which you kind of touched on, but really it is an important thing?
Absolutely. We can't do what we do without the support of our partners. The families and the individuals, the children that come to live at New Hope Housing have experienced a lot of challenges in their life. And we have to partner with organizations who really are at the very top of their game, like United Healthcare and Sesame Street. I mean, you can't ask for better partners than that, to come alongside New Hope Housing and really wrap the services, the love, the comfort around the families that we serve. We have been in operation for about 30 years, and so we've been lucky enough over those 30 years to really establish a reputation that encourages wonderful organizations to want to come and serve the families at New Hope.
Yeah, well, that is an awesome partnership. So, Marian, ending with you, why is it important for United Healthcare to be able to partner with organizations like this?
It is so important. Let me tell you, one of the things that we've recognized as an organization is that healthcare is impacted by much more than just what happens in a doctor's office. Mm-hmm. Actually, what we've learned is that about 80% of health outcomes can actually be attributed to factors outside of just your physical health, right? So things like access to safe and affordable housing, it's one of the greatest barriers that people have in our community. And that's why it's so important for us to have these partnerships with like-minded organizations such as New Hope Housing. It really makes a difference, and it transforms our health system into one that really ensures that everybody receives the care that they need when they need it. And so a partnership like this really furthers our commitment to expanding access to care for our members and to addressing the social determinants of health for people that are underserved or uninsured individuals in our community. In summary, I will say that I think, at the core of the mission of United Healthcare is to help children and adults live healthier lives by giving them the support and comfort that they need. And that's what this is all about. So we're very grateful for the opportunity.
Well, I'm so grateful that y'all took the time to tell me all about this morning.